Ugh, cold shower? Again. Not exactly the best way to start your day. Or maybe your water heater is making weird noises. Or worse, leaking all over the floor. You know you need a new water heater, but where do you even start? That's where we come in. At Fast Water Heater, we make replacing your water heater easy, fast, and stress-free. First, we examine your current setup and recommend the best water heater for your family and your lifestyle. No pressure, no upselling. Just honest advice that provides the right solution for your family. Need something energy efficient? Bigger tank? Tankless? We'll help you find the right fit without overcomplicating things or overspending. Once you decide, we handle everything: removal, installation, city permits, and even cleanup. And because we do this every day, we get it done quickly and correctly. No shortcuts, no guesswork, just solid, reliable work backed by over 40 years of experience. And just like that, you've got hot water again. No more cold showers, no more worrying about leaks or unexpected breakdowns, no more interruption to your family routine. Just reliable hot water whenever you turn the faucet back on. And the best part, we leave your home cleaner than how we found it. Thousands of homeowners trust Fast Water Heater for our fast service, fair pricing, expert installation, and fixed price quotes. So don't wait for your water heater to fail completely. Call Fast Water Heater at 1-866-264-9642 today, or visit fastwaterheater.com for a quick, hassle-free quote.